children, this is Ramesh and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be learn the continuous topic of algebraic expressions, next arithmetical operations, multiplications and divisions. In our previous video, I explained in the introduction about algebraic expressions and how to add and subtract, addition and subtractions of algebraic expressions. In this video, we are going to learn multiplication and divisions of algebraic expressions. With this topic will get complete. So, let us learn without wasting time how to multiply algebraic expressions. Very simple. Let me take some questions first from the textbook itself. First, let us multiply 4y into 3y minus 4. 4y into 3y minus 4. So this type of multiplication is called as a monomial into binomial. Why monomial? This is only a one term, and here there are two terms. So one term into two terms. Monomial into binomial multiplication. If an algebraic expression contains one term, it is a monomial, so it is a monomial. It contains two terms, so it is a binomial. Monomial into binomial. So whatever kind of a multiplications in algebra, we need to be remember first three conditions. If these three conditions, if you follow completely in the sequence wise, you will never get any mistake. So let me tell you how to do this. First, you remember symbols multiplications. Symbols multiplication. First we have to multiply the symbols. Then you have to multiply numbers. Then after you multiply the variables. So first is symbols, next numbers, thereafter variables. In this sequence, if you multiply, you never get any kind of mistakes. Let us see the same thing here. First, this 4y, we should multiply to these two terms. 4y should multiply to 3y, and this 4y we should multiply to 4 also. So, first symbols. Before this 4, there is a plus, nothing but a plus only. Here, before this 3 also there is a plus only. Let us multiply 4y into 3y. In that way, we have to go for first symbols, next numbers, then after third one variable. First symbols, plus into plus. Here plus into plus is plus. You have to write. Then numbers, 3 4s and 12. Variable y into y. Y to the power of 2, y square. Y into y. How many y's are there here? 1. Here how many y's are there? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So y square. Next, this 4y is also multiplying this minus 4. So first symbols, plus into minus is minus. Next numbers, 4 into 4, 16. Next variable. Here there is no variable, so write the same variable here. Simple. This is answer. 12y square minus 16y is answer. Simple. If you follow this method, it is very simple. Now, let me tell you one more example of binomial into binomial. Let me take the next question like, that is 2a minus 9 into 3a plus 4. If you understand this concept, very easy. First, symbols multiplication. First, you write the symbols for all these. This is plus. This is also plus. Now we need to understand this is the binomial and this is the binomial. So the beginning of this 2a is multiplying these two terms, and this minus 9 is also multiplying these two terms. So in this way we need to multiply. So first of all, let us multiply with this 2a. With this 2a we will multiply these two terms. Okay. First symbols. Let us write plus into plus. Plus into plus is plus. 2, 3 numbers. 2 into 3, 6. A into A. Here 1a. Here also power is 1, 1. So a square finished. With this 2a into 3a finished. Next we go for this 2a into plus 4. Plus into place is place. 2 fours are 8. A into there is no variable here. You write the same a here. Finished. Now with minus 9 we need to multiply. Remember, minus into place is minus. 9 3s are 27. Next here there is no variable, but here the variable, you write the variable is a. Finished. Now next to 9 into 4. Minus into place is minus. 9 fours are 36. We got this. Again the sums are not complicated. If you see here, 8a and 27a are like terms because they have same variable and same exponent. From in that 6a square. From 8a to subtract 27, from the 8 to subtract 27, not possible. It's possible when you get in the negative terms. You will get in the negative terms. So 19 minus 19a you will get. 8a minus 27a is minus 19a and minus 36. And this is the way we can multiply. Again, to understand you more, so let me take one more example, only one more example. So here binomial into trinomial I will take. That is first x plus y. X plus y is a binomial. Here I will take here 2x minus 5y plus 3xy. Binomial into trinomial. Binomial into trinomial. Simple. The same process we need to do it. So first of all, let us keep the symbols. Here we don't have symbol. Let us, before plus there is a, before x there is a plus. Here before 2 there is a plus. Remember, completed. For all the terms having symbols. So remember, first we need to be doing symbols multiplication. That means here x plus y is multiplying all these 3 terms of the trinomial. So x is multiplying these 3 terms. Next y is multiplying these 3 terms. In this way we need to do it. Let's go for the solution. First of all, with x plus into plus x into, here there is no number. How many x's are there here? 1. Nothing but how many x's are there? 1. Here how many y's are there? 1. So 1 into 2, 2. X into x square. Finished. With x we have multiplied this. So it is x nothing but a 1x. How many x's are here? Nothing but a 1x. Okay, plus 1x. This is what I have written here. Next we go for the symbols. Here plus into minus is minus. 1 into 5 is 5. X into y, that is xy. X into y is xy. X is a different variable, y is a different variable. So x into y we get as a xy. So next we go for this plus 1x into plus 3xy. Plus into plus is plus. Okay, 1 into 3 is 3. X into xy. Here x into x, that is x square. Here there is a power 1 and here also there is a power 1. So x square. Again additionally there is a y here. So we write this. Finished. With the x we have completed this 2x minus 5y plus 3xy. Now we have to go with this plus 1y. Plus 1y in the sense, let us say the process again. Okay. 1 plus into plus is plus. I will write here. Then 1 into 2 is 2. Here y into x is yx or xy. However you can write. This you can write as a xy or yx. No problem. That is the multiplication solution. Next, with 1y, we'll multiply minus 5y. So plus into minus is minus. 1 into y is y. 5. 1 into 5 is 5. Y into y is y square. Simple. Next, we go for this. Plus into plus is plus. 1 into 3 is 3. Y into xy. X there is only 1. Here y and here y. There is a y square. So we got this now. From this you need to choose, is there any like terms are there? So let us see. Like terms in here xy. Here also xy. Simple. That two are the like terms. Other than this nothing. So this 2x square will write, here we write minus 5xy plus 2xy. Okay, 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is minus 3xy minus plus 2xy minus 5xy. 2xy minus 5xy are minus 3xy plus 3x square y here minus 5y square plus 3xy square. This is what. If you want to write in the standard form, so the standard form will be like that. To read very easily, you can write here or not, you can continue like this. We will write in the standard form. X square is completed. Next choose for the y square term minus 5y square. Next x square y are not, you can see here 3x square y. Now xy square terms here plus 3xy square. At last this minus 3xy. This is the standard form like minus 2x square minus 5y square plus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus 3xy. Instead of writing like this, you can write in the standard form where it will very easy to read. Okay. Now next we will learn how to do the divisions of these and algebraic expressions. Divisions is very easy. Okay. Only thing we need to be learn that how to take the common factors. How to take a common factors. So here I will take you some more example for the divisions. So till that time, just you need to observe this what I have written here for a 2 seconds. I hope you understand that how to do this. Yes. Now let us go for that. How to divide. How to divide an algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. How to divide. In the multiplications, we need to remember the 3 steps. First step is symbols multiplications. Next step is numbers multiplication. The last step is variables multiplication. Here divisions are very easy. Divisions are very easy. I will tell you how to do the divisions now. Here there is one question. I read the question that 30 a square bc plus ab square c plus abc square is divided by completely divided by 6 abc. Let us learn how to divide this. Very simple. See that from these 3 terms in the numerator and the denominator term is ABC. See that here 6 and 30 are able to cancel directly. 6 ones are 6 5s. And how can you cancel this ABC? Any of these? It's not possible. But when you observe here in the numerator term, here ABC, here also ABC, here also ABC is there. So we can take out the common from this. So what we need to see, here we write 30, here ABC, ABC, ABC. The minimum term, here A we require 1, B we require 1 and C also require 1. That means the power of this ABC is 1, 1, 1. That we need to be taken out from this ABC if you write. So what is going to happen now when you take out ABC as a common? Nothing but a common factor. So in the first term, there is a 2 A's are there. A into A, 2 A's are there. But 1 A we took as a common. So one more A is left here. From BC, B is 1 and C is 1. That B and C are already took it as a common. So nothing is left in this term. This term is completed. Place in this term, here A1 and C also 1, 1. That we have taken out. We have taken out from this. So only B is left here. Similarly, here A and B, 1, 1 A and B we have taken out. So only C is left. This is called as a common aspect. Okay. Now, as usual, in the denominator 6 ABC. Now you can cancel 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 1A and 1A cancel. 1B and 1B cancel. 1C and 1C cancel. What is left now? 5 are A plus B plus C. Very simple, no? This is what called as a divisions. Now let me tell you one more example from this to understand you the better way. So here one question, simple question. 3x square minus 2x is divided by x. It is divided by x. Simple. Here in the denominator there is a 1x. In the numerator there are a, here there are binomial. In the binomial first term there is a 2x's are there. Here x to the power of 2 is there. Here x to the power of 1 is there. So we can take out this x, we need to cancel. That means with this x we have to divide this. So that's what we do it. We have to take out a common from this, only 1, x to the power of 1. So what is left here? Here 3 will be left over in this. From this, here x to the power of 2 in the 6. From that x to the power of 1 we have taken. That means 1x we have taken common. One more x will be left here. That's it. So we have to see how many x's we have to take in. How many, what are the quantity of number we have taken as a query. That means we have taken as a common. Then what is left again? What we have taken common, what is left in the inside again, that is what we need to think. So here minus 2, we write 2. Here there is a x to the power of 1. Already with this x to the power of 1 we have taken common. So nothing is left. So we, as usual we write as a x in the denominator. And this will 2 we cancel. Answer we left 3x minus 2 is the answer. So hope you understand these divisions now. So to understand you in the more better way again, let me take one more question. Here I will take one more question. So listen, with this I will complete this part of the divisions part. Here 11 a cube b cube minus 7c minus 35. This we have to divide by. This we have to divide by 3 a square b square c minus 5 of c minus 5. See that? Don't feel panicked or worry how to do this. Very simple. See, first of all, that's what we can cancel. Let us see once. Okay. Now here, when you see here 2a square is there, a to the power of 3 is there. That means a square means a into a. There are 2 a's are there. A to the power of 3 in the sense a into a into a. 3 a's are there. In this 2 a's we cancel. Here 3 a's are there. No, this 3 we cancel. 3 minus 2 is 1. One more a is left. Here 3 a's are there. Here 2 a's are there. That means 2 a's completely will be cancelled. Here one more a is left. Here a cube in the sense a into a into a. Here a square, a into a. These 2 a's are cancelled. One more a is left. No, that means a to the power of 1 I have written. B square, that means here b cube, b into b. Here b square, b into b. Let us divide b cancel. One more b is left, like that. B square I cancelled. Out of these 3 b's, 2 I cancelled. So one more is left. So the remaining terms let us write here. 11 of here. There is a left here. And b 11ab of 7c minus 35 by here 3 here c minus 5. When you see here c minus 5, here itself we can confirm that here 7 if you take out common factors, 7 if you take as a common, what happens? Let us see here 11ab is as usual into this 7. From these two terms will take out 7 as a common factor. 7 I have to keep. So here from this 7 went out. So c is left. Yes. Now 7. How many is the 35? 7 5s are. So minus 5. C minus 5 will get. Because see, when you multiply the 7 with this c minus 5, you have to get the same again. 7 into c, 7c. Okay. Minus 7 5s are 35. We are getting the same one. No. That is what common factor. We have taken 7 as a common from this 2. Now again we write here 3 of c minus 5. Now you can see here c minus 5 and c minus 5 get cancelled. So the leftover thing is here 11 into 7, 77 AB divided by 3. Divided by 3. With this 3, is it can cancel? 77 is not divisible by 3. So this is our answer. I hope you understand how to do the division. Only thing you need to be learn how to take out the common factor. There are many examples in the textbooks and in the YouTube also you can search the how to take out the common factors in the on algebraic expression. There you can learn more how to take it out again. So if I tell you that the video length will be more again, so I don't want to teach you now at this time. So in the later when I get time I will teach you that. So if you, and I hope you understand this. If at all you did not understand this, watch my previous videos also, algebraic expression introduction and part 1 addition and subtraction. Later you go for multiplication and divisions. Those previous videos I am giving on the screen. Watch that and learn.